Hello my guys, Bullet here and welcome to another episode. I have this 2005 Lexus RX330 with doing LEDs. I'm going to show you in a minute how they look, actually low beams and fog light. That's what we're replacing today. In here I have the LEDs from Auxito. Those are H11s and those are 9006. 9006 is going to be 3000K amber, so they're going to be yellow for the fog lights. And H11s, they're gonna be for the low beams on the headlights. Those are the ones, H11s, 120 watts with 24,000 lumens, super bright. So this is what we're going with on the headlight, low beams. These LEDs for the low beams, they're gonna have the perfect beam pattern. That means that it's pretty much the same as the regular halogen bulb. So the light is not gonna be all over the place. It's gonna be just like the regular halogen bulbs. It's gonna be direct light, so you're not gonna blind everybody oncoming traffic. And it's gonna be just perfect for this one because this Lexus don't have projectors. It has reflectors, so this is just right for it. Another cool feature on this one, you can rotate the head, because every time that you put an LED, the LED chips, they have to face left and right, not up and down. It's gonna have a little screw that you can twist the whole assembly just to have it directly on the headlight. Not like this, not like that. It has to be like that, just like the regular halogen bulb, because the chips, they have to be facing left and right. And that's pretty much what we have on the package. We have gloves, manual, instruction manual, and you're gonna have the little Allen key. So basically you can put it right here, loose the whole assembly out, and you can rotate it, get it tight, and just put it the way it's supposed to go. It has to be like this, and that's why it has the little Allen bolt. You have Allen key and zip ties in case that you wanna put zip ties for the cable. So let's go to the installation. I'm gonna show you right here on the driver's side. You have a big cover right there. You just have to twist it and remove the cover. Once it's out of the way, you're gonna have to put your hand inside, really deep inside, unplug the connector and twist the bulb and pull it out. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you that part, but it's just like every other regular bulb. You just have to twist it. In this case, you have to twist it like this and push in the little clip and unplug it. So this is the H11 for the low beams, and the 9006 is gonna be for the fog lights. For the new LED, you're gonna do the same as removal, because on removal you pull the bulb up and pull it out. For this one, it's gonna be like this, and put it down. It's gonna lock it in place. The cable is right there on the cover. Make sure that you do positive with the red one, negative with the white one. It looks white or black, I don't even know anymore, but that's the right way. And just for reference, you can see the connector facing this way, and right here on top, probably you're not gonna see it with this light, but you have open and close with arrows facing each way, so you can go wrong on these covers. Before we move on to the passenger side, let me show you. It's gonna be a big difference on the light. You can see right there, and even right here you can see the LED and the halogen bulb. Super bright on that side. Now for the passenger, if your Lexus still have this cover and the clips, just grab one of these tools or one little screwdriver and just remove them. Really easy. So there is one clip in here, there is another one in here, there is another one right there, and another one right there. Once you remove all four, remove this cover, and you will have the same access like on the driver's side, on the passenger side. And right there, same cover, same process. One thing that people complain a lot about LEDs is bad installation and bad LEDs. Some people just choose a product, they don't know how to choose the right one. So when you put them on, the light is gonna be all over the place, especially in this housing. This is not a projector, this is a reflector. What happens is they put it on, or their lights, they're not aimed properly, so that's why they blind oncoming traffic. This type of LED is designed to work like the regular halogen bulb. LED chips are facing each way, so the light is going to the reflector, to the housing. It's not all over the place. So once we get the installation done and we put the Lexus against the door, the garage door, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. It's pretty much gonna be the same reflection like the halogens. So that's why you need to choose the right LED for your vehicle. In this case, for this Lexus, this is just right because the light is not all over the place. It has the same cutout, so pretty much is the same as the halogens. More brighter, safer, but you're not gonna blind oncoming traffic, which is key. Okay, for the fog lights, pretty much is the same thing. You have to remove the bulb, twist it, unplug it, and put the new ones. I'm gonna show you, just because it's really hard to get to it, what you have to do. For the driver's side, you're gonna have to get a 532 Allen key, fits right in it, to remove this little Allen screw right here. Once you remove that one, just peel the plastic, and right there inside you're gonna have the bulb. Remove it, unplug it, put the new one, plug it in, and that's done. For the passenger side is another story. It's even easier because on that side you have like an oil cooler or something you have on that side you cannot get from the bottom like on the passenger side. On the passenger side there is no nothing in there, so through this hole you can get right there to the fog light. Just go underneath, remove it, and put the new one. Okay guys, installation is done. Let's see how this Lexus look. That's the end result. Probably in camera it's not gonna look like it looks in real life. It looks super bright, super good. So now what I'm gonna have to do is back it up, close the garage door, and let's see if that one is just in place or we need to change the height. Okay, lights are on. If you can see, the light looks perfect. I don't know why with the halogen it was looking way different. I don't think it was crooked. It came out the same way it goes in on the new LED, but you can see high beam, low beam, and like I told you before, the pattern is just the same as the halogen bulbs. I don't have any errors with these LEDs on the dash. The only thing that I have right there is one of the tail lights. So that's not for the front, that's for the rear. So I don't worry about that. You can see the difference right now. Super bright LEDs, but not to the point that you're gonna blind oncoming traffic. This is a good LED for this vehicle. Now we can really see what we're driving. And those are the low beams, high beams. You barely see the high beams because it's regular halogens, but for the low beams, super bright. So we need to do something with those high beams, probably later on. This vehicle, it has an automatic function for the light, so you don't have to worry about that. It works perfectly. No light on the dash, no problem with these LEDs. Plug and play. You don't need resistors, you don't need anything, just the LEDs. Okay guys, and just to finish, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for these LEDs, H11s and 9006. But when you go to the Auxito page, the link is gonna be in the description, and you purchase LEDs from them, you're gonna have 15% off with my code. My coupon code is Luis, so everything is gonna be in the description. Guys, I'll leave you with that. I hope you like this little installation, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace. After I put the LEDs, I'm gonna bring that side up a little bit because it's way too low. It's literally facing all the way down. You can even see the light right there on the frame.